y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today is December 30th 2024 and I wanted to bring another prepping video to y'all. This is something that I have done a while back and a lot of you is new, and as part of trying to really encourage you about 2025 because it's right around the corner, I said, well, let me just go ahead and do this video. Maybe it'll help somebody, maybe it'll get somebody some ideas to prepare and just get you a little bit of extra in your house. Okay, so this video, let me bring y'all down a little bit. We're going to go through the Wal-Mart, okay, emergency food supply bucket. Okay, I have two of these. I've already had my husband take the lid off because it's kind of hard. This is a food grade bucket that it comes in, so you can definitely reuse it for rice or whatever you want. But emergency food supply, and it's late, y'all, that I'm filming this video. It's late. So I'm kind of tired because I've been going all day, but I wanted to have this done, and it's like the camera don't want to act right. Well, not the camera, but me getting it where it needs to be so y'all can see. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, and it is a 48-hour 4-person kit, 5-meal variety. Okay, so we're just gonna go into this real quick. So one of the things that's in here is maple brown sugar oatmeal. All right, it tells you, gives you the ingredients, it gives you the instructions on different measurements, like you do a 1/3 cup. Well, it'll make a 1/3 cup, and that's 1/4 cup of oatmeal and 1/3 cup of water or whatnot. Or you can do 1 and 2/3 cups, and it gives you the measurements for that, and then it goes up to 3 and 1/3 cups, and that's pretty much the whole pouch. Directions, everything was in it, all that on the bag, and that's for everything that's in here. Okay, so maple brown sugar oatmeal. This is creamy potato soup. Okay, and this is 8 servings. Let me just say this. This is, the oatmeal is 10 servings. The creamy potato soup is 8 servings. Creamy chicken flavored rice, okay, is 8 servings. And let me just say this. Let me do this. I know it's got, well, I'll go back and do that. I'll go back and do that. I'm gonna give y'all the ounces of the packs too. This is some more creamy chicken flavored rice, 8 servings again. Elbow macaroni, 7.5 servings. Okay, and you have to keep in mind, in an emergency situation, you ain't trying to just eat to get just so full. You're trying to get satisfied. Okay, you and whoever else is with you. More elbow macaroni, 7.5 servings. Some cheese powder mix, 15 servings. Okay, and buttermilk pancakes, 6 servings. Okay, so let's go ahead. I keep looking at this and it's like my head is cut off because of where is it? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. The buttermilk pancakes, the pouch is 9.74 ounces. So it's 2 of the elbow macaronis, and they are 11.64 ounces. It's elbow macaroni. The cheese powder mix is 7.41 ounces. Creamy potato soup is 14.3 ounces. Creamy chicken flavored rice is 14.67 ounces. And I think it was 2 of these. Yep, 2 of these. Now mind you, there's no water in this, okay? So keep that in mind. This is just like food. And the maple brown sugar oatmeal is 10.58 ounces, okay? So that is what's in this kit. It says a total of 55 servings, 10,910 total calories. The shelf life, y'all ready for this? The shelf life of this is up to 30 years. For everything in here, you just add water, okay? And the shelf life is up to 30 years, okay? I cannot exactly remember how much I paid for this, but give me a minute, I will let y'all know, okay? Because that's gonna be helpful. I'll let y'all know. Let me get my phone so I can scan this, because I know it came from Walmart. And so I have the Walmart little scanner thing that's in the app. Let me get my phone and I'm gonna scan this for y'all, and we're gonna see what the prices is, because I've had this for a couple years. I want to say I got it on sale, but either way, well, it was at Walmart. I want to say I got it on sale, or maybe the price was just good. I think it was about $25. I'm not sure, but let me go ahead and get my phone. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got my phone. I'm in the Walmart app. Let me get the scanner up. Okay, so got it. Barcode right here. Let's see what the price is. All right, so yep, it's the Agason Farms 48-hour 4-person emergency food supply, 95 ounce, is $25.42. So I didn't get it on sale because I remember paying about $25. You can see it. I don't know if it's too bright, but that's what it is. Okay, so yeah, $25.42 for a thing of a 48-hour kit. Like I say, ain't no water or nothing in it, and it is Agason Farms is the brand. But $25.42 can start, you know, a variety of food that you want to add water to. So you may want to look into that, if that's going to be helpful. Like I say, I have 2 of these. In my area it says it's sold out, so yeah, but I have 2 of these and definitely would get more because it's already packaged, put together and everything like that. So it may help some of you out, but it is very important, whichever way you do, to get you some extra food. I can't stress that enough. And water and essential items, okay? Make sure you're doing that. We all need to be doing that going into 2025, which today is December 30th. You only got 1 day, and it's 2025, and that's tomorrow, okay? So make sure that you are doing what you got to do. Nobody is nobody's responsibility to feed you, to give you, if you are an adult and you're able-bodied. I'm gonna say that if you're an adult and able-bodied, it is your responsibility to take care of you, your household, your kids, your family, all that type of stuff. It's nobody's idea, it's nobody's responsibility, nobody's responsibility to do that. If you're able-bodied, okay, and you can do it, and just, you know, not doing it because you're doing everything else, no. You gotta stay focused, you got to organize, and you got to get it done, okay? Don't care what nobody else say because you're prepping or whatnot. Just don't care what people say, period. Get to that point and realize what is important, okay? And go from there, all right? And prepping, being prepared a little bit, however much you want to be, is very important. importance, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so we notify each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Mwah. Bye.